Firstly, we will start with the switching between the apps. Switching between the apps means we are moving from one application to another application. Why we want to move? When we are working on different applications at the same time. The feature of working on different applications at the same time is known as multitasking. Multitasking, when we are doing multitasking, let's imagine you are making any presentation or you are making any drawing in Paint, then and side by side you are finding some information on the Google, and also you are listening songs by Spotify, so you can switch between these apps. So we will learn in your book there are two ways given. One is by taskbar and the another is by task view. So you all know that this is a taskbar, and you can see the icons of all the applications which are open. By clicking on these applications you can switch between the apps. Now you can see I have opened Google here. I want to open Paint, then I will click here, then Paint is opened now. And another way is which you can see a button besides the search box, that is task view. When you will click on this task view, you can see all the open applications are coming. You can choose anyone which you want to open like this. So one more way I want to tell you that by using keys combination from keyboard Alt plus Tab, you press the Alt key, and by pressing the Tab key you can choose the app which you want to open like this. So here I want to open Paint, I will leave the Alt key, and now Paint is opened. Children, if you have to open lot of applications at same time and it becomes a mess for you, then you can categorize your applications on different desktops. So let us learn how to open another desktop. You know this is your task view button. You have to click on this button, then you can see a plus sign. It is new desktop sign. You have to click here, then you will get a new desktop. And to switch between these desktop, you have to simply click on them. Like if I am clicking on desktop 2, then I have a desktop which has no any open application. And if I want to go back on my previous desktop, I will again click on task view button and click on desktop 1. And if I don't need the another desktops, like let's imagine one more I have created and by mistake, and if I want to delete it, then you will get a cross button at the corner and you will click on close, and then that desktop will be closed. Again I am doing that. Now I have only one desktop, that is you can see on your screen. Children, if you are doing some work on your computer and you have to go somewhere in between for some time, then it's safe to lock your computer. So how to lock your computer? You have to click on start button, and here you have the user icon. When you will click on this user icon, you will get from which you have to click on lock. I will not click here, then my computer will be locked. So when you will click on lock, you will get the locked screen, and when you will click anywhere, you have to enter the password, and then you will be able to work on your computer. Children, if you want to change the Windows settings, you have to click on the start button, get settings button here. It will open a Windows settings window. Then you can change the settings. You can navigate to all the options here by your mouse. You can click on any tab, then you will get all the settings tabs here, and regarding the settings you will get the related options to your right hand side, and if you want to go back, you can click here. Now if you want to change the background of your desktop, you can click on personalization. You can see it is written here, background, lock screen, and colors you can change from here. When you will click here, you can see the preview here, and then colors if you want to change. If you want to change lock screen, theme you can change, the start settings you can do from here, even the taskbar settings you can do from here. So these all are the options which are available on the Windows settings. Children, if you are listening any audio songs or watching any video, then you can adjust the sound of your video or audio from the icon which is here. It is written here, speakers. When you will click on this icon, you will get a bar. From here you can increase and decrease the sound of your speakers. Like this you can see, if I am playing song here, and if I want to increase the sound, I have increased, and if I want to decrease, I can decrease by this way. So this is a slider bar by which we can adjust the sound of our audio or video. That's all for today, children. Now our chapter is completed. You have to see the video carefully, and next time I will send you a PDF of question answers and back exercise of this chapter that you have to do neatly in your book. So till then, goodbye.